Hello everyone. This day we are talking about the vowel sound A. This is a long lower sound. Our mouth is opening more, our jaw is lowering. This sound is our tense. Our lips are still expressed. It is tense, but it is open more the other vowels. A. Vowel from sound A, bay, day, wave, break. The next vowel sound are ow. This vowel sound open position and closed position. The lips are moving into a circle, not a tight one as you. But approaching that is way hard to get to know that you said a good sleep down. Ow, ow, cow, oh, ho, hose.
Good morning. We talk about the vowel sound. Vowel sound is a deposition of the lips. U and and U. This is the U is the position of the lips, and this is a short sound vowel, and it's also a more relaxed sound. Our lips are still around. This is, for example, book, book, and book, book, and choose. This is the next vowel is the It's a short sound and very often and rounded sound make your lips rounder and lower and your jaw. For example, gone, and park, and bus.